Welcome back to Dad Deals. In this video, we're going to try out Ecovacs brand new Deebot X11 Omnicyclone. This is their flagship robot vacuum and mop. This thing promises a lot. It has a new fast charging feature with power boost. It has super strong suction, a bagless dust bin, and even an AI system on it, where when it approaches a mess, it can actually analyze its environment and choose the right cleaning method for that mess. So we're going to put all this to the test in this video. Ecovacs sent me this unit and I took it over to my sister-in-law's house. She has 4 young boys, so there should be plenty of messes and obstacles for this thing to avoid and clean up. So without further ado, let's put this thing to the test and see how it did. So first off, let's talk about price for this thing. This is Black Friday season and they're going to have a massive Black Friday sale on this vacuum. So the retail price for this is $1,500, but they're going to have $500 off. That's going to kick off November 20th through December 1st. So that is going to be the best deal of the year. And of course, I will have a link in the description so you can take advantage of that. So right out of the box, this thing was super easy to set up. I like that the top of the device has a protective cover that covers some of the buttons. So it just gives you that nice, sleek look to it. This thing looks futuristic and high tech. You can see right in the center here is your bagless dust bin. I think that's a huge selling point to this. So you don't have to deal with any bags. You can immediately see when it needs to be emptied. And then on either side, you're going to have a water tank. It's going to be a clean water tank and a dirty water tank that you'll empty after it's done mopping. Some other features of this base station is it has a power boost technology, which means it's going to charge this device super fast. So that means between cleanings, you're not going to get delayed by it charging. So if you have a large home, I think that's going to give an advantage to this one over some of the other ones on the market. This base station also has a floating tank that will store hot water that will be able to super clean that roller on the bottom. So you can be sure that that brush is going to be clean and dry every time it goes out to clean. And then the last thing this base station sort of has going on is it actually has 2 different cleaning solutions, a normal and a heavy duty version. And that's really where the AI technology with this thing comes into play. It will actually determine which cleaning solution to use and how much it needs to clean, which is just awesome. And you can see that here, there's a mess on the kitchen floor and it cleans it up super fast and leaves it spotless. So enough of the specs, let's talk about real world testing with this thing. We put it through its paces for about 2 weeks and found that it was super quiet. I think that was one of the things that shocked us. You could totally run this thing at night and it wouldn't disturb anybody sleeping. It also does a great job of mapping out your house. So you can select which room that you want it to clean right from the app and even monitor how it's doing. This one also has a true pass system, which is sort of a 4-wheel drive for your robot vacuum. And through our testing, we didn't find it getting stuck on any thresholds or anything like that. It did a great job transitioning between carpet and hardwood floors and tile and really never got stuck. Probably one of the coolest things to see this one do is it actually can slide out its mop. So it gets right up to the edge of your baseboards and under your cabinets. It probably does as good a job as I've ever seen a robot vacuum do of getting every inch of a floor. As far as obstacle avoidance goes, this has a LiDAR system as well as that AI visual recognition. So it really had no issue getting around toys, shoes, or any other obstacles. In our testing, we did see it suck up a really small toy, but I can't really fault it too much for that. But all the other toys, it had no issue getting around. So it shouldn't really be an issue with this robot vacuum. I really think this vacuum does one of the best mopping jobs that I've seen a robot vacuum do. And I think it's that spinning brush that this one has. So a lot of the other ones have 2 rotating brushes, but the one single spinning brush I think gives you extra pressure and just complete coverage. You can just see, look at us emptying the dirty water tank here, how dirty that water is. And then a lot of your cheaper vacuums out there don't do a great job of cleaning that brush afterwards. So it might pick up the spills, but an equally as important job is to actually get that brush clean again so you're not spreading germs all throughout your house. It doesn't get smelly. So that's where these more flagship devices really do a great job. You're making sure that you're washing that mop with actual hot water and drying it. And this one does a great job at that. This thing also had no problem hooking up to any of the smart home devices out there. We used Amazon's Alexa, and you can literally just tell this thing, hey Deebot, go clean the dining room, and it will go do that. So that's it. I hope this video kind of gave you an overview of this robot vacuum and how it works. If you've been interested in one of these, I highly recommend this one, and it's going to be a great price this Black Friday, right at that $9.99 price. So it would be a great time to pick this thing up. All right, thanks for watching. As always, if you found my videos helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.